Candle makers are keeping this trick a secret from you. Start by taking a fairly tall jar. Place some decorative stones inside. Small colorful pebbles, decorative glass, or natural minerals will work. Once the stones are in place, fill the jar with water, but don't fill it to the top. Next, add a layer of oil on top of the water, allowing it to float. Add a few drops of essential oil to the jar, choosing a fragrance that suits your space and mood for a pleasant aroma. Cut a circle from the bottom of a plastic cup. Use a soldering iron or another hot tool to create a hole in the center. Take a longer piece of string, fold it, and thread it through the hole in the plastic circle. This will serve as the wick. Carefully place the wick into the jar, letting it float on the oil layer. Light the wick and you're done. Your everlasting candle with stones and essential oil not only looks unique, but also fills the room with a delightful scent. This is a simple way to make your home smell clean and fresh. Additionally, it's a great method to keep your house free from insects and pests. I've never had such a lovely fragrance in my home before. Prepare a small bowl and some sea salt. Add 4 tablespoons of salt to the bowl and smooth it out with a spoon. Now, take a smaller bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol with 1 tablespoon of water. It's important to keep the proportions correct. Pour this mixture into the bowl with salt and mix thoroughly. The alcohol will prolong the effect of the air freshener. Press the mixture down firmly. Next, add a measure of your favorite fabric softener. Mix everything together and press it down again. Add 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. This oil not only smells pleasant, but also repels flies, mosquitoes, and ants. As an additional repellent, stick some cloves into the mixture. For us, cloves smell wonderful, but for insects, they're a natural deterrent. Now your air freshener is ready. You can place it around your home. The best spots are near windows, on tables, or in the bathroom. This air freshener will repel bugs from your home. They hate this scent. It costs next to nothing to make, and the effect is amazing. Your home will smell great for a long time. This will save you from moths. Take a wet baby wipe and place it on a board. Then, grab some rice grains, as rice is a great scent carrier and absorbs moisture, preventing mold in your closet. Place a spoonful of rice on the wipe and choose your favorite perfume or essential oils. Spray the rice grains with the scent. Fold the wipe over the rice and tie the ends with string or a rubber band, creating a small scented pouch. Repeat the trick with different scents to create a variety of aromas for your closet. Place these small pouches in your wardrobe, on shelves, or in drawers. They will protect your clothes from moths, and the lovely fragrance will last for a long time. After a few days, when the scent fades, replace the pouches with new ones to keep your wardrobe fresh. You can also experiment with different scents to find the perfect combination for your closet. My laundry has never smelled so beautiful and lasted so long as it does after adding this mixture. The fresh laundry scent fills the whole house, and the towels are exceptionally soft and fluffy. After trying this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemical products. You only need a few ingredients. Grab a bowl and a small cup or teacup. Fill the cup with salt, preferably sea salt, and pour it into the bowl. Add a cup of Epsom salt, which softens laundry perfectly. Then, add half a cup of baking soda to both salts. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. This combination helps remove detergent residues from fabrics and eliminates unpleasant odors. After adding this to your laundry, your clothes won't lose their color. To make the mixture smell beautiful, add 20 drops of your chosen essential oil. You can mix several scents or choose your favorite. Stir the oil into the mixture thoroughly. Prepare a jar to store this powder, then transfer everything into it. Now it's time to do your laundry. As usual, put everything in the washing machine, add your favorite detergent, and then add 2 tablespoons of this powder to the drum. You can use this mixture along with fabric softener, or you can skip it. When you take the laundry out, it will smell amazing. You'll be surprised at how much impact this simple addition has on the scent of your laundry. This trick makes my home smell wonderfully. Everyone who visits me asks about the scent. I don't buy it in the store. I make it myself. I heat a fork over a candle. Then, I take a regular disposable plastic box. I use the fork to make holes in it. There must be a lot of them. The hot fork melts them. That's why it's the fastest way. When the lid is full of holes, I remove it from the box. I pour salt into its interior. Ordinary. The cheapest kitchen salt will be perfect. It can be coarse-grained, it has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Let me know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Then I pour a teaspoon of fabric softener into it. It should have a pleasant floral scent. Mix it all together so the salt is colored by the fabric softener. Prepare a handful of cloves. Insert them around at equal intervals. You can create nice patterns that will be pleasing to the eye. Place such a box in the bathroom or wardrobe. A pleasant fragrance will emanate from it. Everyone will ask what smells so beautiful. Additionally, it absorbs excess moisture. Therefore, it works great for a shoe cabinet. The scent of fabric softener and cloves will be intense, so it will also work perfectly in the bathroom. Light a match and throw it in the toilet. Once you try this trick, you'll always do it. And why? In the bathroom, you often have to deal with unpleasant odors. Most people use chemical agents and lots of air fresheners for this. However, there is a much simpler way. Light a match in the toilet. It is the best trick for getting rid of bad odors and one of the cheapest. The smell in the toilet usually appears after using it. Unfortunately, it lingers in the air for a long time, and we usually try to mask it with aerosol air fresheners. You can do this much faster and cheaper. All you need is a box of matches. It's the cheapest and smallest air freshener. Light a match and throw it in the toilet. First, let it burn almost to the end. Don't throw the whole match in, as it can clog the drain. Just light a match, wait until it burns almost to the end, and then throw it away. The gas created when lighting a match perfectly neutralizes all bad odors in the bathroom, and it does so in a second. Additionally, for a longer-lasting effect, you can leave a lit candle by the toilet. It will also remove unwanted odors. Light up some cinnamon. It's the secret of millionaires. In their homes, you can feel an extraordinary energy and the scent of wealth. And the method is very simple. Start by preparing bay leaves. They have their characteristic spicy scent. Crush them into a small bowl. They help to get rid of unpleasant odors in the home. Additionally, the scent of bay leaves repels insects. But bay leaves also have a calming effect. They eliminate stress and tension. Sprinkle a few tablespoons of salt on the leaves. Salt is the best product for perfuming interiors. Fragrances made with salt as a base are natural and long-lasting. But that's not all. Add cloves. Their scent improves mood and well-being. Few people know that they add positive energy and motivation. Sprinkle cloves with salt. Salt enhances the aroma of spices. Additionally, use your favorite fabric softener. The scent of bay leaves and cloves, although positively affecting us, does not have as intense a fragrance as fabric softener. Pour the cap and pour it over the salt in the bowl. Take cinnamon sticks and insert them into the container filled with spices and salt. Hotels and spa salons often use this trick to create an exceptionally rich scent and aroma. Light the cinnamon with a lighter or matches. Just light them a little to extract the best from this homemade diffuser. The extraordinary scent and positive energy that the spices used in it provide.